Mayor, just one last question. From your experience as House prosecutor during the impeachment of Estrada, what are the next steps that we should look forward to as far as the subpoenas are concerned? Dun sa bank
Maganda, alam
records?
mo, maganda na ang lead ngayon sa prosecution. They begin with the AMLAC report.
Okay.
The ruling of the presiding officer gave them a clear opening to begin with the AMLAC report. No, I was worried, John, if the Senator Escudero would have some reservations on the AMLAC report, no, because they will have to go into the accounts. And again, I agree na there has to be a connection between the case and what it is that the prosecution wants to have access to. There has to be a connection. It cannot, otherwise, palapit ka doon sa ano, no, sa phishing. Although, maganda rin ang punto ni Congressman Shell dahil ang sa kanya is, this is an unexplained wealth case. This is an unexplained wealth case, no? So, ano yan, all the transactions, pwede nilang tingnan. And in fact, you have to have a base figure, which is 2007, no? So, siguro, in passing, they'll go over the intermediate years, pero mahirap na tatahimik sila eh. Kung merong, ang problema dyan, bank documents do not lie. Access to the account will also give them access to whoever placed money into that account, whoever issued checks payable to the Vice President or whoever, payable to cash, especially if it's payable to cash. That was the case of Jose Velarde. The checks were all payable to cash. But of course, lalabas yan sa ano eh. Unfortunately, the second envelope was not open, so I cannot anymore talk about them specifically. They are covered by 1405 already. So yan ang direksyon ng prosecution ngayon. As the AMLAC chair or executive director, and then yung suspicious transaction reports dyan are very good points of reference, no? Dahil naging suspicious nga because either of the amount or hindi nila kilala kung kaninong cheque yung deposit doon. Hindi nila kilala. They knew the depositor, but they did not know who the issuer of the check may have been. Kaya papasok yan sa suspicious transaction report. Either the amount is over 500,000 or meron ka pang 1 week dyan, no? Or although kilala nila ang client, pero hindi nila kilala whose check was deposited, who issued the check.